Well, hello there, ladies and gents. This is Tammy of Eclectic Skin Prescriptions, and thank you so much for joining me. So this is going to be a quick follow-up video to our original announcement of the Post Microneedling Kit because we have solidified the sizes of the products. First, let me say this kit comes packaged in a vinyl rope handle bag with an easy-to-follow instruction booklet. The booklet gives a detailed in-order of application list and certain rules to follow post-microneedling, such as not wearing makeup for an absolute minimum of 3 days. We try to impress upon our clients that it's more beneficial for them to postpone makeup for a minimum of 7 days, considering how much their skin is going to absorb while it's in the early healing stages post-collagen induction. Also detailed is the importance of sunblock and not to pick at peeling skin, as enticing as it may be. The products to be applied for 5 days post-microneedling are the Refreshing Botanical Cleanser, and this is going to come packaged in a 1-ounce bottle. Collagen Growth Factor Serum, Flawless Drops, and the Replenishing Sunblock will all come packaged in a 10 milliliter bottle. So let's consider that a full-size retail product of the Collagen Growth Factor Serum is a total of 40 milliliters. So you can see these bottles are a quarter-sized amount of that. So the good news is that you can fully expect that these products are going to last 3 to 4 post-microneedling sessions. I performed microneedling on Amy and gave her one of these kits, and she followed the instructions to a T. Post 7 days, she had used about a third of these main items. Your clients can fully expect to have this kit last through a series of microneedling sessions. Of course, how liberally they're applying the products are also going to play a role in how long they last. After the 5-day mark, they will incorporate the next 2 products. The Regenerate Stem Cell Gel, which is in a 6 milliliter bottle, and the Regenerate Stem Cell Cream, which is packaged in a 6 milliliter jar. There are less of these 2 products because they're only going to be applied for 2 days. And how I applied these after 5 days was I washed my face with the Refreshing Botanical Cleanser. I then applied the Collagen Growth Factor Serum and allowed that to absorb for about 30 seconds. I took the rest of the products, added them together in the palm of my hand, mixed them very well with my finger, and then applied them to my face. This made my face feel fully hydrated, smooth, and soft. So I feel the end result of my first microneedling session definitely showed improvements to my top lip where I have the beginnings of smoker's lines. So I'm very excited to see what a series of 4 is going to have in store for me, and I will keep you up to date as to how long my post-microneedling kit lasts. If you have any questions or requests for future videos, please leave them in the comment section below and we will get to them just as soon as we can. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.